How to change iPhone location to another country. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change iPhone location to another country. First, go to Settings from the home screen. Then tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Language and Region. Here, select Region. Select any region that you want to change to over here. From the pop-up that appears, confirm your selection. Also, make sure that you are using VPN. For this, tap to open your web browser. Here, you need to search for NordVPN. Then, go to its web page. This is the way you can change your iPhone location to another country. Alternatively, one of the best ways to change your location on your phone or computer is to use a good VPN. They are reliable and will make any website, app, or person think you're in a different location. We highly recommend NordVPN. We have left a link in the video description if you would like to check them out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.